So far, we have managed to come up with a solution for the education problem in Africa, and we have also managed to build our web app, which includes the user side and admin panel. We have also set up pipelines in Azure DevOps, which helps in continuous integration of our web app. So we are glad to learn new things like Azure DevOps, which has made contributions and developments easier.
So far, we have been able to divide the project into several mini projects, and everybody has been assigned a feature to work on. And I can say so far so good. We decided to use Django because all of us are well conversant with Python. And I can say our team lead has been very active in facilitating the DevOps process. And our mentors have also been very helpful in helping us streamline our objectives and what we really want to accomplish within the 5 weeks.
As a team, we have done a lot according to the tasks that we were distributed, and we hope that you are going to present a nice project at the end of the program that will be helpful to the outside world.
What I like most about being a participant in Game of Learners is the fact that we are working together as a team, 5 members we've never met. We even come from different schools, different countries, but we're working together to achieve one goal. That is to come up with a working product or a working solution at the end of these 5 weeks. So that itself is really great experience. Second is having mentors, people who work at Microsoft. For example, we have Ian and Carol. They are great mentors, and it's good because they are giving us the insight we need during our working period and how to achieve our product at the end of the hackathon. Yeah, we're also having fun with the Spirit Week, and it's I can say it's a getting comfortable by being uncomfortable situation, because you have to learn a new skill, you have to learn a new technology to integrate it with what your other team members know in order to come up with a working project. Yeah, thank you.
As a GOL participant, there are a lot of benefits to it. We are able to, to get the right resources for the product that we come up with. We are able to meet new people. For example, the teammates are from Kenya and Nigeria, people you've never met before. So that's also an added advantage. Our coaches have been able to help us in whatever things and problem that we might come across. And training would also be, a very good thing with all the benefits that come with it.
Mine is basically learning to work as a team, learning from each other and learning from our mentors.
I can say what I like about this is that it's not about the competition. It's about us as a team working together towards achieving a specific goal and being able to learn from each other, learning from the coaches and from the mentors. Yeah, it's all about how much you can learn and what we as a team can develop. Thank you.
So we're faced with the problem of internet connection. I mean, not everyone had access to 100% stable internet. One of the problems we face in Africa today. So it was a challenge for us that some members of the team could not join calls at some point. We had to fall back to using chats when you can't join a call. We also had the issue with prioritizing work, as we're all students and we had school, and also that was also one of the problems we faced. And we also had issues with learning on the job. Well, so a lot of us were new to the technologies we were using, so we had to use online platforms to level up, skill up, and use these technologies to solve problems.
Other challenges we are facing as a team is network and internet connection issues. For example, during the time when airtime redemption was declined. Also, we have learning and applying new materials within a short time has been a challenge to us. Another challenge is device problems. Some of our team members' device broke down.
The main challenge we've had is getting all of us together at the same time. due to various reasons. So and maybe I could just answer that because all of us will give the same answer. So we've had probably network issues. People are not able to get well connected, and power issues. Yeah, I think those three: network issues, power issues, and the internet connection.
Yeah, so a couple of the things that we do to tackle the challenges that we come up or we come in contact with and that we face. First off, basically we make effort to work at time periods that are best. And for those in Kenya and those in Nigeria, it's still somewhere between when it's like really early or really late, and those periods usually help. So a couple of times we get that right. Then again, another thing is by assigning taxes and putting deadlines to them. So we have at the back of our minds that there are taxes that we ought to do, and then there's a time that we ought to have done this before, and those deadlines help to set things in perspective and really help us prioritize as much as possible. It's not really easy, but it's been really helpful having those assigned tasks to each individual teammates and the deadlines associated with it. And also, and probably finally, we equally for the problem of what resource to use and all of that, we basically use online platforms, maybe Google or a couple of the free stuff on LinkedIn, basically just YouTube, and trying to search as much as possible to the extent that we can. So those are a couple of the ways we are trying to actually tackle these challenges.
The ways we are trying to address these challenges, we try using alternative ways, like using alternative devices, especially when your machine breaks down. We also try getting help from our coaches, especially when we are stuck. We try consulting them so that we can make some progress.
We've also been recording meetings for the unavailable members at the meeting time to curb the time management issue. And network problems, we've dealt with them by use of school Wi-Fi during the day as we wait for the GOL ambassadors to sort our airtime issues.
Things that Joel has taught us is every day is a learning opportunity, and every day we're learning something new. From learning how to set up our DevOps, how to use DevOps, and also GitHub. So one of the things we actually did was we had to create an entirely new GitHub repository and start from scratch, so that people don't feel like they are just fixing errors on GitHub, fixing the branches and merges, but rather that they are contributing code. I think other than that, we've been able to put in the work and give all the energy we have to the project and the time, so I can be able to complete the project and accomplish our goals. Thank you.